I see Ball State as like my home now, and I think it's really important to have like a church family or a believer, like just family of believers that you can surround yourself with, and I just think that's really important. So I found Chi Alpha and I've just stuck with it, and it's become really truly my second family.
I've seen God move through Awaken, through our worship services and salvations through that, but it's just as profound our discipleship nights where it's not a heavy emotional thing, where it's more of a down-to-earth talking with others that believe the same things that you do.
The biggest thing that I see God doing inside Chi Alpha and many other ministries is the friendships that people are making. Especially the friendships I'm making and with Megan and stuff. It's really nice to have those relationships, to walk through Christ with each other and to praise and worship, but to really just how iron sharpens iron. It really builds each other up, and you need that when you're inside a campus like this and you experience the stress of homework and exams and not having your family around all the time. It's really good to have those really nice relationships.
We're all on one team. So just that all of us can come together and worship under the united name of Jesus Christ, which is what our event is called. So we're just coming together under one name, regardless of backgrounds, regardless of denominations. We're all just here, gonna be there to love on Jesus, and it's gonna be super fun.
I just want to see God move in a way that isn't necessarily possible when we keep ourselves in our own little boxes and with the people that we're comfortable with. I pray that with this event, that